Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Father's Day to everybody, people that have played both roles. Today is a particularly hard day for us because today is the first Father's Day my husband is having without his dad. And so I've been keeping myself busy. So that being said, I decided, you know what? Let me just make stuffed shells for everybody. Whoa, what an undertaking. So here is basically the basic steps. So you want to boil these. I did 3 boxes for about 9 minutes in salty water. And what I learned, it's best to just lay them on a cookie sheet and let them dry and cool off before handling them. So I just put them on 2 different cookie sheets and put them in the oven. The oven was off, just to get them off the counter. And I had an abundance here of shells. It was kind of an overwhelming. I feel like lasagna is easier to create than than stuffed shells. So what you need here is some Parmesan, some mozzarella, 3 eggs, and some Italian seasoning. Some people put chopped spinach, which I think would be really good. And you got to mix this. You guys mix this really, 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 really good. I went through 2 batches of this. So I would say this amount with the large regatta does 1 box of the shells. And this is basically how I spent last night. Part of it was putting together 3 different trays, one for here, one for my in-laws or sister-in-law, and one for next door for my father-in-law, I'm sorry, my stepfather and mother. I used gloves. It was easier to just use my thumb there to try to get the cheese mixture in. But this is a long project. But, I was relaxing and I was happy to do it. And so everything was ready. So today I don't really have to do any cooking at all. So here is my 3 trays. I ran out of fridge space, so I had to put them in the car overnight so they stayed cool, which worked out well because the temperatures were in the 50s. Here are some flowers we bought for the cemetery today. I'm not really looking forward to this, but it must be done. And some of the leftover sauce. So what I did is I just refreshed some sauce on them, and I packed up some sauce too in case people want extra sauce. I made this sauce started the sauce Friday. If anybody wants to know how to make it, let me know. I'll make a video about how you do it. It's so simple, you guys. You don't need a crock pot either. You could just do it right on the stove. And I made an abundance of sauce. So we do have some left over. So I'm just pointing to let you know, after you refresh it with some sauce, just add some Parmesan Reggiano, if you have any, and mozzarella. And you're going to bake it at 425 for 20 minutes. And I was just packing these up this morning after I did the garden tour for you guys. I've been working on that. And next door, I brought a tray with Italian bread with the cheese and the sauce so they can bake it off when they're ready to eat. And here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to making more garden videos and talking to you and reading your comments. Leave me a comment below. Have a great day. Bye.